Tired but wired? Can't fall asleep? Or waking up at 3 a.m.? Sleeping pills aren't the answer. The problem might not be in your head. It could be in your gut. Hi, I'm Brenda Watson, and today we're diving into the powerful two-way connection between your gut and your sleep. This may surprise you, but your gut might be sabotaging your sleep. I'm going to give you 4 easy ways to heal your gut and fix that connection so that you can finally get some sleep. Your gut and your brain are in constant conversation, and that chat is powered by brain chemicals like serotonin, melatonin, and GABA. Serotonin actually produces melatonin, which is your sleep hormone. But here's what most people don't know. Almost 90% of serotonin is made in your gut. And if your gut's not healthy, you may not be making enough, and that can throw off your whole sleep cycle. So it's a myth that melatonin will fix all your sleep issues. Maybe temporarily, but if your gut isn't making enough serotonin, you're not fixing the cause of the problem. GABA is another big one. It's a chemical messenger that sends signals to help calm the brain and quiet those racing thoughts. Certain gut bacteria actually help produce GABA. So again, I can't say this enough. Gut balance plays a huge role in helping you wind down at night so that you can get a good night's sleep. When your gut's out of whack, that's when the trouble starts. Your gut has its own circadian rhythm, usually synced with your body's sleep-wake cycle. But stress, poor diet, or bad sleep can throw it off, and that messes with your sleep even more. Any of these sound familiar? You can't fall asleep because your brain won't shut off. You wake up in the night and can't get back to sleep. You're bloated or gassy and it keeps you up. You're anxious, irritable, or just down. Those feelings are tied to gut imbalance and low serotonin. And if you're up using the bathroom a lot, gut issues could be behind that too. They can spike blood sugar and cortisol, making your kidneys work harder at night. Let's talk stress because it wrecks both your gut and your sleep. When you're constantly stressed, your adrenal glands keep pumping out cortisol. Cortisol is like your body's alarm clock. It helps you wake up. But if it stays high at night, it's much harder to sleep. And over time, your adrenals get worn out and signals between your brain and body get out of sync. And that's when your energy crashes. Sleep feels impossible and you're dragging through the day. Here are 4 easy ways to heal your sleep-gut connection so you can finally get the sleep you've been craving. 1, nourish your gut. Eat plenty of fiber and take a high-quality, high-potency probiotic with a variety of strains. 2, calm your gut-brain loop. Supplements like GABA, theanine, or a low dose of melatonin can help, especially short term. 3, balance your blood sugar. Have a small protein-rich snack, maybe a spoon of nut butter or a hard-boiled egg to help keep your blood sugar stable and stop those 3 a.m. wake-ups. 4, improve your sleep hygiene, and this will also calm your gut-brain loop. Make your bedroom dark, cool, and calm. Stick to a regular bedtime. I love to take a warm bath before bed with magnesium crystals. It soaks into your skin and helps you wind down. I also use a white noise like a fan, which helps you to relax and fall asleep more easily. If your sleep's a mess, don't look at your pillow, look at your gut. When you heal your gut, the rest will start falling into place. If this helped you think differently about sleep, hit subscribe and drop a comment if you've ever noticed a connection between your belly and your bedtime. And don't miss out on my Better Sleep Blueprint. It's linked below.